To access standby cash with Huntington Bank, you will need to follow these steps. Eligibility. Ensure you meet the eligibility criteria set by Huntington Bank for standby cash. Typically, this includes having an eligible Huntington checking account in good standing and meeting specific creditworthiness requirements. Enrollment. Log into your Huntington online banking account or mobile app. Navigate to the standby cash section to begin the enrollment process. Review terms. Carefully review the terms and conditions associated with standby cash, including the interest rates, fees, and repayment terms. Select limit. Choose the standby cash limit you wish to have available for your account. This limit represents the maximum amount of standby cash you can access. Accept terms. Agree to the terms and conditions outlined by Huntington Bank for the standby cash service. Activation. Once enrolled, standby cash will be activated on your account and the approved credit limit will be available for you to access when needed. Accessing funds. You can access standby cash funds through various channels such as ATM withdrawals, online transfers, or by using your Huntington debit card for purchases. Repayment. Repay any borrowed funds according to the terms agreed upon with Huntington Bank, including any accrued interest and fees.